Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless to a computer. This mouse has three connection methods. The first, my favorite one, being Bluetooth. So I'll show you that at the end, because first let's talk about the quicker methods. So you can connect it with a cable. Unfortunately, the model that I have has micro USB, not USB-C. I hope that if there are some newer versions of this mouse, then they have USB-C because it's much more reliable. But you can connect it with USB-A to micro USB cable. Just USB-A goes into your computer, right? And it will already be connected. You may need to turn it on or leave it off, just see how it works. Then the second method is with a receiver. You should have a wireless receiver in your box, and that makes things simple because you can just plug in the receiver to your computer, then turn the mouse on, click on this button right here until it goes to receiver. You can see it has to be on receiver option, and then it'll start working once the receiver is in the computer. Now let's go to Bluetooth connection. To do it, you will need to first turn the mouse on with this switch, then click on this button until it goes to Bluetooth. Now, on your computer, go to the settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices, go to devices and click on add device. Now Bluetooth, and put your mouse into pairing mode by pressing and holding on the Bluetooth pairing until it starts blinking. Let's see. Okay, I needed to click on show all devices, and you can see my CadMouse is available right now. Okay, it asks me to try to connect my device again. I'll just turn it off, turn it back on, make sure Bluetooth is selected, click on pairing, then let's cancel it, click on add device, Bluetooth. I hope that it connects now. It says connecting, so it should be all fine. Okay, there's a little bit of a problem, but once I clicked on it the second time, it is now connected. You can see it displays the battery level, and I can basically use it now. So yeah, it's here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.